Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can resize multiple images to the same size in Canva at once. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are on Canva. So here you can see we have two images, this and this one. So the both size is very different, you can see. So if you want to make it the same size at once, you need to select that all images. We have two images. How we can select? Just click and hold and drag that all elements, like drag over to the image and it will be select. Or you can simply hit the shift key on your keyboard, hold it and select one by one like this. Now go to the positions here under the arrange. Okay, this ratio should be unlock first. Okay, now here we need to enter that width and height. Okay, hit the enter. You can lock the ratio now. Now you can see this image has been resized at same size. Okay, now you can group it like this. You need to select the both image and group it. Once you group, you can move it together anywhere and you can resize also together, you can see. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.